everybody, welcome back to the Adjunct's Kitchen. We make affordable, easy to prepare, and delicious meals for you part-time cooks. My name's Chad Seeger, and today we're going to be making a kicked-up twist on the summer picnic classic, Southwest Coleslaw. The ingredients for this dish are cabbage, chilies, red onion, chili powder, mayo or dressing, red wine vinegar, and salt and pepper. Steps to making this dish are to section out your cabbage in easy-to-use pieces. Then cut the cabbage, onions, and chilies. Mix everything together, plate, and serve. Making this dish is pretty much all prep, so start by getting your cabbage down to manageable sizes. Once you've done that, you're going to want to pick off any parts of the cabbage that don't look delicious. And then, cut your cabbage into thin strips. The red onion's here to give us some flavor, so what you're going to want is a pretty fine dice. For the chilies, you're going to want some fine strands. Of course, if you want regular coleslaw, you can always substitute out for some carrots. Next, season it with some chili powder, and then add the mayo. Next, pour in some vinegar, and then give it all a good mix. Of course, season it with plenty of black pepper. If you just want to make regular coleslaw, substitute out the chilies for carrots and skip the chili powder. But this stuff is awesome. Thanks everybody for watching. If you have any questions or requests for other dishes, leave them in the comment section below. Like and subscribe if you like what you saw, and I'll see you on the next Adjunct's Kitchen.